Greetings, dear viewers of my daily RV life. Today, we are going to discuss a crucial topic for all RV enthusiasts: insurance coverage that is essential to protect your vehicle and belongings on the road. So, let's dive right in and explore the important types of insurance that every RVer should consider. First and foremost, it is crucial to have RV insurance, also known as motorhome insurance. This type of coverage protects your recreational vehicle in case of accidents, damage, or theft. With RV insurance, you can have peace of mind knowing that your beloved vehicle is financially protected. In addition to RV insurance, it's also vital to have personal belongings coverage. As you travel, you bring along many valuable items, such as electronics, camping gear, and personal belongings. This coverage ensures that your possessions are protected from theft, damage, or loss while inside your RV. Furthermore, it is highly recommended to have liability coverage. Liability insurance safeguards you financially in case you accidentally cause damage to someone else's property or injure someone while using your RV. This type of coverage can help cover legal expenses, medical bills, and potential lawsuits, providing you with essential protection on the road. Another essential insurance to consider is emergency roadside assistance coverage. Imagine being stranded on the side of the road with a flat tire or engine trouble. Having emergency roadside assistance can be a lifesaver. This coverage ensures that help is just a phone call away, providing you with peace of mind during your travels. Lastly, many RVers opt for full-time RV insurance. Full-time RV insurance is designed specifically for those who live in their recreational vehicles year-round. It provides coverage for both the RV and personal belongings, as well as additional living expenses if you need to temporarily relocate due to a covered loss. In conclusion, dear viewers of my daily RV life, having the right insurance is crucial for RVers. RV insurance, personal belongings coverage, liability coverage, emergency roadside assistance, and full-time RV insurance are all essential types of coverage to consider. By ensuring you have proper insurance, you can enjoy your travels with peace of mind, knowing that you are financially protected. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey about insurance for RVers. Stay tuned for more informative content on the My Daily RV Life YouTube channel. Safe travels.